Hello everyone, welcome to our online tutorial. In this session, let us learn how to create a session and take attendance of the students in that particular course online directly in the website. Yeah, so the target audience for this particular session are the faculty and the management of that particular campus. The prerequisites to take attendance are you must be an authenticated user of this website, and then either you must be a subject teacher or manager in that course. So with these requisites, let us do a mock-up. So just for the demonstration, I am creating attendance session in class 10. I am choosing any subject of my choice. So I'm picking mathematics here. So once you check inside, by default you will be seeing an option something like this, attendance. So this is where you are going to record the attendance. So ensure this turn editing is on, yeah, on or off. So you should check inside this attendance, click on it. Once you click on it, if you have enough permissions, you will be seeing these many options. So you should go click on add session button. All right, so now we should give the timetable here. So in order to do that, let us take our timetable as reference. So if you see here, for every class we have a timetable like this, and Monday morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. we have mathematics live session. Similarly, Tuesday we have biology social live session. So in these live sessions, we are going to take attendance of the students. So let us demonstrate with this 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. slot mathematics live session. Just observe carefully, this mathematics session is recurring on every Monday. Biology social is recurring on every Tuesday. So every single subject is recurring once in a week. Let me come back to our website. So I should choose a date here. If we see here mathematics, so I'll be creating it from Monday. Let me select a date. This calendar is for August 2020. So 3rd of August is Monday in the calendar. So let me choose 3rd of August 2020. The timing slots are from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Remember, this is 24 hours slot, time calendar type. You can ignore the description part, or if you want to write something, you can write uh, an instruction to the student. You see the next option, multiple sessions. We know this attendance will be taken every day in one day in each subject. So I'll go create repeated sessions by every week. So repeat the sessions above as follows. Since mathematics is recurring on every Monday, I'll choose Monday here. If it is biology or social studies, instead of Monday, I'll choose Tuesday. Yeah, based on your subject schedule, you please select the repeat on day. And the next option, repeat every week. I wanted this to be repeated every week. If you want this to repeat bi-weekly, you can go select number 2. So for now, I'm choosing week 1. And next one, repeat until when. So it's asking me till what date you want this schedule to be continued. I will randomly select September. Okay, September 30 or October 1st. So I'll click on add sessions. Yes, 9 sessions were successfully generated. This implies there are 9 weeks between 3rd of August and 1st of October. You see here, 3rd of August Monday, 10th of August Monday. So all Mondays we have created a recurring session. So once you are done doing this, it website automatically sends a calendar notification to the student that mathematics faculty is going to take attendance in this particular given time slot on this particular date. Okay, so now the notifications are sent. How to take an attendance? All right, so if this is Monday, if today is Monday and live session is taken between 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., you will be downloading the list of users who have joined online session somewhere around 8:50 a.m., that is 10 minutes before closing the session. Okay, whoever is participating till end of the 9 o'clock session, till end of the live session, you must be considering their names. All right, now you have the list of users who have attended the session that you have downloaded and kept it in a notepad. Click on this play button here in our website. Take attendance, yes. So once you click here, who have paid for the classes, they are listed down here. So I have not taken attendance yet, hence the statistics says 0000. All right, so I'll come back to the status set. I have four different options: present, sick leave, excused, absent. I do not want excuses to be given to any student. Similarly, I do not want any sick leaves since they are staying at home now. So I have left with only two options: present or absent. So every student, if he attends, for every present session, he will gain 2 points, and if he is absent, he will gain 0 points. I am clicking update. Okay, it is updated. Come back to the sessions. Now see, click on the play button. Yeah, I have only two options now: present or absent. Only two options I'm left with. There is an option 25 here. Modify this to do not use paging. The website is updated now. So the number of paid users in this particular course are 141. Okay, now let me practice on taking an attendance for this session. So by default, if we click set status for all, if you click P, it marks present for all the students. All the 151 students are present by default now. Okay, now if a particular student is absent, I'll mark them absent. So this is just for demonstration. I am marking certain people randomly as absent. All right, so it doesn't consume much of your time. Okay, this is how I have marked the absentees. Go down and click save attendance. So it automatically updates our database. Attendance has been successfully taken. Okay, so you can check how many absentees, how many present in this course. You see, number of students present. Just a minute, I should change this to do not use paging. You can go down and see the report. Of 141 users, 132 are present and 9 are absent. So this is how you can get the status report. This is just not for one day. These reports can be generated even from the reports tab, which you can see here. Click on the report and see here. If you are taking attendance, it will be reflecting here for all the courses. Okay, number of sessions present, number of points he has gained. Let us see if for any absentees guy. So only 25 are displayed here of the 6 pages. So if we click on next page, you get multiple users in every page, and for every page 25 users are displayed, and you can see their status report here. Okay, you see in this particular page there is an absentee, so that particular guy can be seen here in red color, marked in red color, and that percentage of attendance for him is 0. This particular attendance online will keep appending all the everyday attendances, and it gives you a overall summary. Let us see how this website displays attendance to a end user, that is a student. I'll switch my role as a student here. Yeah, so if I would like to check attendance for all courses, I can check my attendance. So two sessions are already taken, and these are the points that I have gained. This is the percentage I have got, and it also gives the average attendance. So all the enrolled courses will be given to that particular student. So this is how we record attendance. Let me switch my role again. Return to my role. Yes, this is how you should be taking attendance. So if you are to take attendance on Monday 10th of August, you should click on the play button and take attendance for that particular day. And just to remind you, Monday we'll be taking attendance on mathematics live session, Tuesday biology or social live session, Wednesday chemistry, physics, languages, respectively in respective classes. This is how we create attendance. So you can always download reports, you can always get a absentees report here directly. So there is nothing to display the absentees on 10th of August here. Similarly, you can export into an Excel sheet, spreadsheet also here. You can select all the participants or only particular class student. And if you want to take a nickel, this particular guy's attendance, either you can download that. You have options to export it into text format, Excel format, or open format. Just click OK. It will download you if you want to select any particular student's attendance. Well, this is how you are taking attendance. So hope you understand, and please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.